Hey, good afternoon. Hey, today we've got a little bit of a situation I really want to bring to your attention because a lot of us are good Samaritans. And it's great that we are good Samaritans, right? We want to help everybody out, do the right thing, especially if they're in a jam. Well, let's back up a little bit and see how we can do it the right way and do it the wrong way. Because the wrong way, even though it might be the right thing, can lead you to a lot of problems. And a case in point today is we have this Volvo 2010 S40 that the customer was trying to do the right thing and helping out another friend by jump starting their car. Literally just jump starting. Now, to some that might seem not like a big deal, but with today's vehicles, and even though it's a 2010, 9 years old, still there's some differences. It's not just basically looking for a battery to hook up, battery to battery and all that good stuff. There's ways of doing it, the proper way of doing it, and as you can tell, we had a major problem, or they had a major problem. All right, here's your battery, right? And you can see that it was not connected properly. We really don't know the details, but from what we can see and what our experience tells us is that the cables were probably not a good quality cable. One that's not able to handle additional amps. All right, and the problem can be not with your car, but with the car you're trying to jump start. There may be a reason why it's not starting, and without a professional looking at it, you don't know why. You could have a huge electrical draw. It could have a bad starter that's drawing amps. Anything that's going to suck power out and through a cable is going to require a good solid cable, preferably like a welder's cable, one that can it can handle the high amps. But as you can see, we have damage here all the way through. And it's really to the point where this vehicle, believe it or not, the adjuster totaled it. It totaled the vehicle because of, one, we have body damage here. We have all of these electrical harnesses and wires and cables that are bad. And then down below, we have some engine controls, especially the engine control module, which is resting under here. A lot of unknowns, and with the value of the vehicle being not as high as you'd think it would be, this young man now has a totaled vehicle that no longer he can use. So you have to be very careful when you're trying to do the right thing and be that good Samaritan. Our advice is never really try to jump start a vehicle, especially if you don't know really the right procedures, and doing so can cause this kind of damage. So take your time, know what you're doing first, have the right equipment if you're going to do it. If not, call a professional, contact AAA, contact a towing company, call a road service, anything that can prevent this kind of damage right here. All right, Greg Buckley, Buckley's Auto Care, as always. Thanks for watching. We'll talk to you soon.